So a very good morning to all of you. So students, already we have started chapter number first of class 8, that is rational numbers. Okay, in the previous class we have seen that rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in p by q form, where q is never equals to 0. Now today we are going to learn some more mathematical operations, that is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Okay, so let us start with the first example. Now here it is given that add 3 upon 7 and minus 5 upon 7. So solution. First we have to write given 3 upon 7 plus minus 5 upon 7. Now remember that these both numbers are having same denominator. Now when two numbers are having same denominator, we write the numerator together. Okay, so it can be written as 3 plus minus 5 upon 7. Okay, that equals to, now here it can be seen that the sign for 3 is positive, the sign for 5 is negative. So whenever there are opposite signs, we are doing subtraction of numbers. Okay, so now 5 minus 3 will become 2. Sign of greater number, now between 3 and 5 is greater, so its sign is minus, so we write here minus 2 and denominator 7. Okay, let us solve some more examples. Now suppose in the previous example both the numbers were having same denominator. Now in this number we have different denominators. Okay, we are having 5 upon 7 plus minus 9 upon 10. Now when we are having different denominators for the given rational number, we have to find the LCM, that is least common multiple, and we have to make the denominators same. Okay, one of the other method of making LCM or solving this question is by doing simple cross multiplication. Okay, so right now we will prefer that cross multiplication method. We'll multiply this 10 with this 5 and 7 with this minus 9 and 7 and 10 with each other. I'm writing it again over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply first this 10 with this 5, then 7 with this 9, and this 7 and 10 with each other. Okay, so let us solve it. Equals to, so you will get on next step 5 into 10, then we have to write this plus sign over here, plus, then next you will get minus 9 into 7, so minus 9 into 7, and then we are going to multiply this 7 and 10 with each other, so you will get 7 into 10 equals to, now 5 tens are, will get 50 over here, plus minus into plus will become here minus, then 9 sevens are, so it will be 63. Let us write this number in bracket, divided by our next one will be 7 tens are, we'll write it as 70 equals to, now these two numbers 50 and 63 are having opposite sign, so we will do subtraction of numbers. Okay, so 63 minus 50 will be 13. Sign of greater number, that is minus, we will write here minus, upon, we'll keep this denominator as it is, so you will get 70. Okay, now let us solve our next question. Now in this question it can be seen that again both the numbers are having different denominators. Okay, so now here also we will follow the same method, that is cross multiplication method, because these are simple examples, so cross multiplication method is preferred over here. Okay, so now we are having given 1 upon minus 12 plus 2 upon minus 15, that equals to, now what we will do again over here, So we are going to multiply this 15 minus 15 with this 1, then minus 12 with this 2, and these both numbers with each other. Okay, so let us see what we are getting. So now minus 15 into 1, I am writing detailed step over here. You will get minus 15 into 1, then next minus 12 into 2, but here in between plus sign is there. Okay, so we will mention that plus sign here also. Okay, so plus again minus 12 into 2 divided by, now this minus 12 will be multiplied to minus 15, so you will get minus 12 into minus 15. Okay, so that equals to, now minus into plus, you will get minus 15 ones are 15, so you will get minus 15 plus minus 12 into 2, that will be minus 24 divided by 12 15s are, you will get it as, now minus into minus will become plus, so no need to write it, and 12 15s are, so that is 180. Now here it can be seen that both the numbers, that is 12, sorry, minus 15, and here we have minus 24, they both are having same sign, so we can add the number. Okay, so it will become 15 plus 24, that is 39, sign of greater number minus upon 180. Further we can reduce this number into lowest form if it is asked. If not, we can keep it as it is. If you reduce it to the lowest form, it can be seen that both the numbers are divisible by 3, so we can write it as equals to, now 3 13s are 3 60s are 180. Okay, and this minus sign we will write it as it is, so our final answer is minus 13 upon 60. Okay, now let us proceed further to the next example. Now suppose if an example is given in this way, where the first number is not having any denominator and the second one is written in numerator denominator form. Only one change you have to make over here, that is minus 3. If no denominator is there, we will write there 1 and remaining number as it is. Then we will follow our regular procedure, that is of cross multiplication. Okay, so I think you can solve this example. Okay, now let us proceed for the next example. Now we are going to learn a new rule which is known as a commutative law. Okay, commutative law means a plus b equals to b plus a. So commutative law means if we change the place of the number, our answer remains the same. Okay, means there will be no change in answer if we are changing the position. Here a is present first, here a is present after b, so if there is any change in the position, there will be no change in the answer. Let us verify it with this example. Okay, now here it is given that verify the following, means we have to solve it by proving that this LHS, that is whatever things are written numbers present to the left hand side of equal to, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so solution, here LHS equals to minus 17 upon 11 plus 3 upon 7, that equals to, now we will solve it by cross multiplication method. So first we will multiply this 7 with this 17, then this 11 with this 3. Okay, so now, so first we have to multiply the signs, or directly we'll write here 7 into 17 means it is 119 minus 17 into 7 plus, now this 11 will multiply with this 3, so you will get 11 into 3, and then we'll multiply this 11 with this 7. Next step, Now minus into plus will become minus, then 17 sevens are, so it is 119, plus 11 threes are, so that is 33, divided by 11 sevens are 77, okay, equals to. Now here it can be seen that 119 is having negative sign and 33 is having positive sign. So here we have to do subtraction of numbers, okay. So 119 minus 33 is 86, then sign of greater number, that is minus, so we will write here minus 86 upon 77, okay. Now this is our LHS part. Now we have to write RHS part. RHS equals to, now RHS is 3 upon 7 plus minus 17 upon 11, minus 17 upon 11, that equals to, now first step will multiply this 11 over here, so you will get 11 into 3, plus then we will multiply this 7 with this minus 17, so you will get 7 into minus 17, divided by, now we are going to multiply this 7 with this 11, okay. So 7 into 11 equals to, now 11 threes are, so that is 33, plus minus 17 into 7, so it is minus 119, divided by 7 into 11, so it is 77. Again it can be seen that 119 is having negative sign, 33 is having positive sign. So since the numbers are having opposite sign, we will do subtraction of numbers. So 119 minus 33 is 86, sign of greater number is minus, so we will write here minus, divided by 77, okay. So next step we can write, since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore we can write that minus 17 upon 11 plus 3 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7 plus minus 17 upon 11 is verified, okay. Now similar to this one, let us solve one more example, okay. I think up till here you all have understood, okay. Now I'll give you some homework, you people have to solve that all examples, okay. This much is enough for today. Thank you.